Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and like I said in my previous video, I'm going to start consistently posting content on this channel, and I miss doing car stuff. If you guys didn't watch my previous video, I stopped making videos and car content for a while because my dad passed away this past January and my grandpa passed away last month, and I was super unmotivated to make any kind of content. And right now I feel super motivated to modify my WRX, do mods to it, go to car shows, car meets, and make it the WRX I know it can be. So I'm going to stick to my word, and I have a lot of big things happening this upcoming week I want to share with you guys. I have a couple things I need to do to my car today to get it prepped, but I'm really excited about a lot of big things that are going to change how my car looks like altogether. So it is official. I am selling my Work Emotion CRQ Amis on my WRX. If you guys didn't know, these have been my dream wheels for the longest time. So if you guys have been watching the channel for a while now, or if you guys just don't know, these Work Emotion CRQ Amis have been my all-time favorite wheel. I had these on my BRZ for almost 4 years, and it's been about a year since I put these on my Subaru WRX. They look absolutely phenomenal, and I was going to do one of two things. I was either going to get these powder coated either white or bronze, get brand new tires, and honestly that was it. Something came up in the last 24 hours which is gonna make me sell these wheels for brand new wheels. So today I'll be taking off my Work Emotion CRQ Amis and I'll be putting on these wheels over here. And these are Focal wheels. Not too familiar with this brand, but these don't look bad whatsoever. These are 18x9 plus 38 offset. These tires are 245/40 by 18. These are pretty meaty. They're really similar to my setup now. But I'm going to be taking my Work Emotion CRQ Amis off and putting these on because later this week I'm going to be trading my work wheels for brand new wheels. This decision is something I'm not taking lightly because, like I said, these work wheels are my all-time favorite wheels. I'm not going to reveal the exact wheel that I will be getting, but I'll tell you the brand. They're Advan wheels, and basically I made a deal with this guy, and I'll be giving him my Work Emotion CRQ Amis plus $600 cash for these Advan wheels that look absolutely awesome. So there's two positive things that come about this. One is I get brand new awesome wheels. It'll change the car and how it looks completely. Second, I don't have to worry about fixing up my work wheels, because if I kept the work wheels, what I would have to do is fix all the curb rash done, and there's not much curb rash, but if you look closely, there's spots where it was nicked on the side, and a lot of it came with the wheels when I bought these used. But my brand new Advan wheels I'm getting are immaculate, perfect condition. Fixing wheels is something I won't have to worry about. I'm not going to give away the exact wheel yet, but I promise it's going to make my car look completely different and it's going to look amazing. Alright, so I'm going to back my WRX up, put it in between both our spots, and I'll take off my work wheels and put on these Focal wheels. So that is the first big thing that's happening this upcoming week. Second, I have an appointment to get all my Aero pieces installed on my WRX. If you guys didn't know, I've had a front lip, side skirt, and rear diffuser for more than a year. I just did not get installed on my WRX due to all the family stuff I had going on. I didn't want to do any car stuff. Now that I'm getting back into it, maybe doing car stuff, and I'm posting content, I have an appointment this upcoming Wednesday at my buddy Tony's shop. We're going to get my front lip, side skirts, and rear diffuser installed on my WRX. So 2 days after I get my Aero pieces put on, I'll be meeting up with this guy to get my new Advan wheels, and I'm so excited to get those and put those on my WRX. Alright, no more talking. Let's get these wheels taken off and let's put on my Focal wheels. Alright, took my work wheels off, put on these focal wheels. As you can see, they are extremely dusty. Look at that. They're so dusty. I'm gonna go out and get some cleaning supplies, clean all 4 wheels. These are only gonna be on my car for less than a week until my new Advan wheels come in. But honestly, they don't look bad whatsoever. Like I said, these are the ones that came with my WRX when I got it, and they don't look bad. And I think these are gonna be more my spare or winter wheels. I wanna buy some winter tires for these, so if it starts snowing out or there's a snowstorm, I can pop these on and not have to worry about my more expensive wheels. Yeah, not bad whatsoever. Spare wheels, they look good. I like the 5-spoke, and I believe the new ones I'm getting, the Advans, are also 5-spoke, but they look so good. I'm excited to share those with you guys when I get them next week. It is Monday right now, so on this upcoming Thursday, I'm getting my front lip, side skirts, rear diffuser installed, and it's gonna look phenomenal, change how the car looks completely. And then on Saturday, so a couple days after that, I'm trading my work wheels for my new Advan wheels, which I want to share them with you right now, but I'll wait to do a quick walk around of the WRX right now, because it is the last time it's gonna look like this. And I'm gonna keep the STI wing that came with it. After the Aero pieces are installed and the new wheels are on, I purchased new aftermarket tail lights, which they should be coming in the next week or so. And what I'm debating right now is if I should keep my NVIDIA N1 single exit burnt titanium exhaust. It sounds good, I love how it sounds, but I feel like it would look great with a nice, a little bit louder quad exit exhaust. Something I always debated on the last year of ownership. Also going to get the 4th brake light down here to go with my new tail lights, which will be coming in. Not gonna lie to you, I haven't been this excited to do stuff to my car in a very long time. A lot of stuff's in motion right now. Like I said, the Aero pieces are coming up next, then the wheels, and tail lights, maybe headlights, and I want to get some interior stuff done, but I'll be making a minimum 2 videos per week, every single week, possibly more. And I don't know, I have a vision in my head and I want to bring that to life. I'm gonna end the video right now, so please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Leave a comment down below what mods you guys want to see on my WRX. I think in my next video I'm gonna go over the mods I have done to the car. I made a video last year going over it, but it's been a while. I have a decent amount of mods done under the hood, and I want to go over everything so you guys know exactly what I have done to the car. And remember, I do respond back to every single comment I get. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.